How's it going, ding dongs? We're back again, and things are gonna get real interesting from now on. Putting the motor back together. Finally gonna be going back in the car very soon.
Ding dong drift! Ding dong drift!
I got it drilled almost all the way through, and then I tried hammering this in, tried to push it out this way, and it's just not fucking moving. Well, finally got the bolt out and split the motor mount in half. Fuck this fucking car sometimes. Got all the bolts right here that I took off the motor sitting in vinegar. I've done this on the channel before, and I keep doing it. This is the best way, in my opinion, the cheapest way to clean up bolts. Clean up rust off of bolts, I should say. These are all the main bolts. In this jar are the bolts that I took off of Tyler's motor that I won't be using because they're super dirty. Mine were a little cleaner, so I'm going to use my bolts. I just got to take them all out, wipe them off, clean them up, because if you just take them out of the vinegar and don't do anything to them, clean them with some brake clean or WD-40, they'll just rust to pieces. It's been like 2 hours. I didn't say this was a fast process. I just said it was really easy and cheap. I got upper pan bolts, lower pan bolts, motor mount bolts, and then the other ones I don't know what they're for, but I'll figure it out eventually. I have 2 sets of valve cover bolts and fender bolts that I'm going to leave in because they're pretty bad. And then this whole kit is just all the bolts for the accessories and shit. I'll figure that out eventually. I'm pretty sure a bunch of the bolts for all that stuff is already attached to it, so that shouldn't be too hard. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to throw the oil pump on, then the lower pan, then the oil pickup tube, then the upper pan, and I need to try to clean these a little better still because they are very caked up with shit, so no fun, but it's just a process. So I'll be back tomorrow. We'll continue on this whole reassembly. Alright, today's the day. I'm gonna start reassembling the motor. I took the upper oil pan and I fire wheeled the shit out of it with this. Now it looks brand spanking new. It's so shiny and new looking. I love it. I love cleaning stuff. I can't do the valve covers yet because I'm waiting on the seals that go on the back of this. Once those arrive, valve covers will go on as well. Today's going to be all oils related stuff, so let's get right into it. Alrighty, oil pump is on, upper oil pan is on, oil pickup tube is in. So now I just gotta wait an hour for the gasket maker to set. Oil pan is done. You saw I wiped off the excess. Gonna let this dry for an hour so then I can tighten everything down, and the bottom half of the motor is complete. I changed the rear main seal off camera. That's new. Front main seal is new. You saw me do that in another video. No, this is not a clip that's out of order. I am just an idiot. Looking at my beautiful work, thinking what a great engine builder I am, and then I realized forgot the lower pan baffle. So took it off, cleaned off all the sealant off the pan. I gotta clean off the upper pan and redo it all over again, and not forget the thingy this time. Alright, back to where I was. Oil pan with the baffle now installed. Gonna wait an hour for this to dry, tighten it back up. Still gotta make a block off plate for the oil level sensor. Gonna have to... Oh, that's why it wasn't working. It doesn't have a float on it. I'm gonna go to Tyler's house now. Gonna pick up my aluminum parts that I got welded, and I'll tell you guys about who did that. And he's not home, but he can remotely open his garage. Just hope he sees my message. So, just gotta wait. And there it goes. And this is why I'm here. Damn, look at those welds, baby. Fix the motor mount. Sick. Tyler, get on it, man. Get on it. I'm gonna have mine in before you. Alright, I'm back from Tyler's. That sequence you saw was completely filmed on this tiny little camera. This is the Insta360 Go 2. You can get one in the description if you like. 1440, 50 frames per second, and it is like 180 lens, so like the camera is stable in all directions, and it's magnetic, so like stick it a bunch of places, especially with like car related stuff. You know, like get awesome angles of car stuff. Pretty sweet camera. I'm going to try to be using it more because I just got it like a couple weeks ago. So I'm going to try to use it a little more, especially for like when I'm driving, like pedal cam, all that stuff. It's going to be sweet. So charges right here in this case. You charge the case and the case can recharge the camera. It's basically like AirPods, but a camera. It's pretty sweet. Got the parts welded. So the guy that welded these, he's I'm gonna have his Instagram in the description. Hit him up if you want anything welded in Illinois. Guy does a great job for a great price. So I had all these outlet ports welded shut. Same with the thermostat housing right here. Got that welded shut. You saw my motor mount broke. Got that welded back up. So it's good to go. So I'm going to throw these on the vise right now with the wire brush. Clean these up, make them look shiny. And then we'll get to throwing them on the car. I think it's safe to say I have the cleanest motor mounts and water necks and thermostat housing of anyone out there. Fuck, that looks mint. Oh, I love a wire wheel. Can you see that? Look how pitted.
Ride the barrel and get pitted, so pitted like that.
Look how fucking fucked up that water neck is, dude. I think I'm gonna have to add some RTV in those gaps because when I was putting the gasket on, see, I got these new gaskets, it wasn't really covering it up. Hopefully the valve cover gasket thingy or the can cap comes in so that I could finish this video, because otherwise this video is gonna be pretty late. It's already Wednesday, and you know my videos come out on Thursday, so. Alright, all the parts have arrived. Isn't it beautiful? Man, look at that bitch. Fuck, it looks good. So that's going to wrap up today. I've just mocked the intake up. I still got to take it off because I got to hook up the starter. I have to still make a plug for the water pump right here. That's why I have all that aluminum bar over there. Gotta find someone with a lathe. And I want to 3D scan this and make new covers for it. Yes, I have a 3D scanner now. And crazy 3D scanner wild shit is coming, so get ready for that. But that's going to wrap up for today. The motor is finally back together, which means we are so close to getting it back in the car. I'm so excited. So that's going to wrap up this video, ding dongs. Thank you again for watching. Can't believe we hit 1,000 subscribers. I know I didn't mention in that last video because that was filmed before I hit 1,000 subscribers, but yeah. Can't believe 1,000 ding dongs. It's just funny to say. 1,000 ding dongs watch this channel. So thank you everybody for the support. I don't know what to say. Let's get 10,000 ding dongs. That would be great, wouldn't it? Let me know what you guys think. How does the motor look? I think this part right here, it's just so shiny and pretty. I love it right here. So pretty. But yeah, I got a few little block off plates I got to build. I got to make an idle air block off. If you can guess what's going to happen next, I'll give you a virtual high five. Stay sweet, ding dongs, and I'll see you guys next week.
America. Do you have your passport? Did you get your driver's